Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Gallery app and simply hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Following that, to select more than one, click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Select All. Now, to exclude some of them that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, select this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, click on Yes, delete these items permanently and hit Delete in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!